Hi guys, it's Michelle. Hope everybody's having a great week. Wanted to show you some things I've been eating. I got some squash from my mother's garden, and I made chocolate-almond meringue cookies. I will have the recipe and the link in the description. Man, they were so delicious. And then out of that chicken meat I made earlier on my meal prep, I tried some keto tacos, and they were so good. And then I made a keto cheesecake. I just wanted to see if I could do it, and I tweaked it a little here and a little there, and man, can I tell you, it turned out so perfectly. And here are the macros on it. Yeah, not bad. Cut it into 6s though. And this is my weight loss, week 1 to week 3, front, side, and back. I noticed a lot going in my arms and my tummy. And as of today, this is my weight. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a great one. Like and subscribe.